case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
The case of Maher Arar versus Ashcroft in 2009 drew the attention of the United States Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit back to the complex questions of national security and foreign policy. Could citizens really sue for damages under these certain laws? Or should creating a new type of complaint become the responsibility of Congress? At the heart of this legal battle was Maher Arar, a Canadian citizen who fell prey to detention and confinement within the borders of the United States and Syria. Arar's efforts to seek compensation for his ordeal were squashed as his appeal faced rejection from the U.S. Court of Appeals for the Second Circuit. Arar's story unfolded at Kennedy Airport in New York, where he was detained based on information from Canadian authorities associating him with Al-Qaeda. Through his complaint, Arar claimed that he endured mistreatment during a 12-day custody in the United States and was later shipped off to Syria. Here, he faced further detention and, allegedly, torture. Shaping the contours of his complaint for the court's consideration, some portions of Arar's charges were dismissed, leaving him room to replead other portions. However, Arar chose to appeal without making the suggested amendments to his claims. A 3-judge panel from the court subsequently held personal jurisdiction over the government officials Arar named, but ultimately concluded that he failed to establish a claim under the Torture Victim Protection Act. Additionally, his bid for a declaratory judgment was dismissed due to lack of subject matter jurisdiction. Included in Arar's assortment of claims were Bivens claims, which were dismissed by the majority of the panel. Despite one member disagreeing with this dismissal, the court elected to revisit the appeal and, in the end, affirmed the earlier decision to dismiss his claims. Looking at the bigger picture, the court indicated that future solutions for those affected by rendition may have to come from Congress. Such a remedy may include setting eligibility guidelines, safe harbors, review procedures, and specific relief. This potential legislative development could then be reviewed by the courts to provide judicial oversight for executive and legislative decisions relating to foreign relations and national security.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.